within your policies, do you have any special policy that's going to help us or protect us from foreign crime?
So it's very clear, we make it very clear in Umkhonto We Sizwe that borders security is very important. So, yeah, border security is very important for the development of South Africa. Our democratic revolution is a national democratic revolution. So the national is a key part about it. It's in the borders of South Africa. So our change is essentially first and foremost for South Africans that live within the borders of South Africa. We need to protect the borders. So migration, we're not an anti-migration party. Migration, people can migrate in and out of the country as they need, but according to processes, according to established processes. You have to have the papers to be in the country. You have to have the necessity to be in the country. So are you here to serve a scarce skills need, something like that? So we need to have those in place, of course, to protect young people in the country who are already, we're sitting at close to 50% unemployment now for young people. So yeah, the little economic opportunities that exist currently we need to protect for people within the borders of the country.